Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, you are going to learn about how to play Tachi. Tachi is a powerful hero who has an enormous amount of true damage output and high sustain in team fights. Today, I will show you how to play him, info on his abilities and some of his combos. Now let us hop on to the video. Let us see about his passive. As you can see, there are 4 unopened seals under the Tachi's leg. When he deals damage to the enemies, the nearest seal will be opened, or the side on which he hits the enemy, the seal at that side will be opened. As you can see, while opening the seals, you can notice a white line under his health bar. If you don't or unable to open the next seal within 5 seconds, it will reset and you have to open the seals right from the start. The hit which opened the seal will inflict extra damage, heals a certain amount of his lost HP and increases his movement speed for 1 second. If you hit an enemy from a single direction or a seal opened side, it will inflict very less damage. So try to open all the seals to deal high damage. After opening the 4 seals, all his normal attacks and abilities will inflict true damage on heroes for a period of 6 seconds. While in his all seals broken state, his attack speed is increased by 30 to 40%. When all the seals are opened, he gains a shield of 9% of his max HP. Added to that, his first 3 attacks after opening all the seals grants him a shield of 3% of his max HP for each hit. Now let's see his S1. His S1 is a short sword wave, deals some damage and reduces the movement speed of the target for 1 second. One of the seals will be opened immediately at the direction of the ability. After the seals are broken, his S1 deals a wave of true damage in a wide area. Added to that, his first 3 normal attacks increases his damage per second by 10%. This bar here shows how many normal attacks have been inflicted and how much damage have been increased. Now you can see clearly the damage difference between each of them. Now the ability 2. While casting his second ability, he dashes forward and damages all the heroes nearby. If the enemy is at the middle while you are casting your S2, there is a 100% chance you can open 2 seals. While the seals are broken, he dashes forward and deals true damage. And first 3 normal attacks made after the seals are broken will reduce us 1/3 charging time of the ability 2. Now let us look at his ultimate. While using his ultimate, he charges and crosses swords and dealing a little damage and reducing the movement speed of the enemies in the area by 90% for 1 second and lands upon them with the damage equal to the 16% of their lost HP. After landing, all the seals are broken at once. Now let us look at his build. If you make full AD, you can easily take down the enemy marksman and mage, but your sustain in the team fights will be reduced. Another disadvantage of the attack build is which your healing effects and shield effects will be reduced. Now the tank build with 1 damage equipment. It has the advantage of increased shield and healing effects. However, he has more sustain in the team fight. With the Fenrir in the build, you can deal more amount of damage with high sustain. Now let us see about his combos. As I mentioned before, you can easily open the seals by the ability 2 and continue dealing damage. After the 6 seconds end, you can use the ult to reopen the seals again. While he is charging his ability in full moon gears, the course of the ability can be changed by ability 2. However, the direction cannot be changed. And this goes same for the flicker. And that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. In the channel, 90% of the viewers are non-subscribers. If you like the content, please make sure to subscribe the channel. It will inspire me to create more videos like this in future. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red, paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time, now that our days will never end.